Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Sandhya Mishra from BCA 6th semester. I am going to present my presentation on the topic AI related movies, some magazines, novels, documentaries, and journals. In this presentation, we will go through from these points. First, AI related movies. Movie is the best outlet for the human imagination and creativity. What we learn from the movie provide us wider area of thinking. It tells about the pros and cons of the technology in the future. It affects on our views, and it also tells about the new technologies in the coming days. And by asking reflecting questions and group discussions, we will also learn from the movies. Classification of movies. So the movies are classified into three types. First is pure artificial computational agent, second is pure biological agent, third is hybrid of biological material and electronics. In pure artificial computational agents have sensing and reasoning ability that can be quite different than humans. But in pure biological agents, the sensing and reasoning ability of the agents are identical to the humans. Hybrid of biological material and electronics. In this category, agents made up of mechanical bodies but have the partial human brains, but the human brains is also augmented by the electronic support. Here some pure AI agent based movies are 2001 I Space Odyssey, Dark Star, Chappie, Big Hero 6. In other section, pure biological agent movies are Blade Runner, Future Cop, The Prototype, Morgan, Hybrid of Biological and Electronic contain the Michael Crichton, The $6 Million Man, Ghost in the Machine, and the Alita. Next, what are the best AI based movies? First movie is the best Metropolis, which is released in 2004 by Fritz Lang. In the futuristic city, sharply divided into the between the working class and the city planner, the son of the city mastermind fall in love with a working class prophet. This prophet is replaced by a doctor with a revolutionary Maria named as False Maria. This influential German science fiction film nominated for the two Raspberry Awards, Worst Original Song for Love Kills and Worst Musical Score for The Murder. Our next movie is Artificial Intelligence, which is released in 2001 by Steven Spielberg. In this movie, a highly advanced robotic boy named David is used, who is 11 years old. His love is real, but is not. He is a marvel of cybernetic progress who really only wants to be a real boy, loved by his mother, his father. David starts journey out in the forest to find a way to become a real boy. Next movie is Ex Machina. Ex Machina is released in 2014 by Alex Garland. In this movie, a young programmer is selected to participate in a groundbreaking experiment, and he comes to his boss lab for the Turing test of humanoid AI named as Eva. Computer system can somehow become self-aware and decided that we should be completely destroyed or ruled over. So at the end of the story, she kills her creator and the young programmer also. Our next movie is Wall-E. Wall-E is released in 2008 by Andrew Stanton. Wall-E stands for the Waste Allocation Load Lifter Earth class. Is the last robot left on the Earth. He spent his days tidying up the planet, one piece of garbage at a time. But during 700 years, Wall-E has developed a personality and he is more than a little lonely. Then he spot Eve, another robot, a sleek and shapely probe sent back to the Earth on a scanning mission. Scriptbook is a predictive AI-based decision support system used for the analyze and forecast the critical success of the film. This system is developed by the Nadira Azarmai. Next, what are the researches related to AI-based movies? Intelligence technologies for the interactive entertainment, a digital transformation tool, AI in entertainment and media industry, EMRS, emotional-based movie recommender system, and a hybrid movie recommender system based on the neural networks. Next, AI-related magazines. Magazines contain several contents like bullets in a gun. Magazine is a word come from the Arabic word by Edward Cave which means warehouse, where we can deposit large quantity of various goods. It were appeared in 1731 with the occurrence of the gentleman's magazines, or it is also known as a military storehouse of a war material. Magazines are divided into three types. First, targeting general reading audience with a simple interest like homes, sports, news, fashions, teen gossips, etc. Second, targeting the people working in trades, businesses, and professional fields. Third, published for the profit and non-profit organizations such as companies. AI related magazine. Future of Transportation is a magazine which is published in 2020. It informs about the urban travel will be a big challenge in the upcoming decades and how AI will play a major role in solving it. Digital Acceleration is the second magazine which is published in 2020. It discusses about the top trends for the new year like human augmentation, virtual desktop infrastructure or AR/VR can be the healthcare game changer. Next, How AI is Bringing Revolution in the Educational Technology is a magazine which was published by Pratik Marwa in 2019. It tells about what is AI in education sector and how it helps in education industry. Next, magazine is 10 Most Innovative Companies in Machine Learning, which was published by John Michelson in 2019. It tells about the machine learning becomes a mainstream enterprise technology. Here, top AI magazine publications are: first is Analytic Insight magazines. It features analysis on AI, big data, business analytics, business intelligence, data management, IoT, cloud computing, and more. It includes opinion and views from the top leaders and executives, their journey, their experience, success stories, and knowledge to grow profitable businesses. Second is Immerse Artificial Intelligence Research. It is a platform where executive leaders turn to understand how AI is impacting their organization or industry and what to do about it. Third is Database Trend and Application magazines. It covers data and information management, big data, and data scientists. It also includes deliver advanced trend analysis and case studies serving the IT. Fourth is Inside Big Data. Its editorial focus is big data, data science, AI, machine learning, and deep learning. It includes news, strategies, products, services in the world of big data for data scientists as well as IT and business professionals. Data Economy is the leading portal for the news, events, experts' opinion from the world of the data-driven technology. It focuses on the industry giants and disrupted startups alike, looking at only the most interesting application of data technology. Now, I move to the next section of my presentation, that is AI related novels. Novel is a short story of something new. Novel is an English word which is derived from the Latin word novella. Novel is a fiction piece of prose usually written in narrative style. AI Writer. AI Writer in 2016 created by the Hitoshi Matsubara and his team who had successfully written the novel. Media organization which includes the AI Writer, that is the New York Times, Associated Press, Reuters, Washington Post and Yahoo Sports. They had already used AI to generate the content. The Press Association can now produce 30,000 local news stories a month using AI writers. How does AI write the content? NLG is a software process that automatically creates a written narrative from the data. It is already used for a variety of content generation. In the case of NLG, structured data is fed into the software and is processed through the conditional logic. That is the part of the narrative design. The goal is for the output is to sound like a human generated each piece of content. Next, what is the advantage of the NLG? Its efficiency can produce thousands of more narrative in a silver of the time. Feasible, make data more insightful and easier to understand for the humans. And third, data does not contain any plagiarism like humans. Example of AI writer. German bank Commerzbank is using AI to create equity research report. The Associated Press is using AI to write thousands of sports reports. Natural language generation has now been used to create an almost award-winning novel. That is, The Day a Computer Writes a Novel, as well as Jack Kerouac inspired narration of a road trip as a poetry. Now the question is raised in our mind, that is, will AI writer success to communicate the emotions? Answer is yes, AI are capable of communicating the emotions. In 2011, an undergrad at Duke University and the Washington Post has successfully created an AI robot writer who was able to write a poem. Second question is arise in our mind, that is, can AI writer replace the humans? Answer is no. AI is helping the human writers in many ways so that they can complete their work fast. The conclusion is AI will make the writing process much easier and faster, but it would not take over the human writer's job. AI related novels. Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep is a novel which is written by the Philip K. Dick, and Blade Runner film of 1982 is originally based on this novel. The novel takes place in a post-apocalyptic future brought on by World War Terminus. Second novel is I, Robot, which is written by the Isaac Asimov. Asimov discussed the three laws of robotics and how they have influenced the development of robots over the year. Next, third novel is Neuromancer, which is written by the William Gibson. Gibson that has a major impact on the cyberpunk genre and our broader ideas of the role of computers in the science fiction. Neuromancer is also a movie which is based on this novel. The Moon is a Harsh Mistress is the next novel, which is written by the Robert A. Heinlein. About a lunar colony revolt against rule from the Earth, the novel expresses and discusses the libertarian ideals. Next, AI writing softwares apps that are currently using the AI that are Pro Writing Ad, Grammarly, Phrase, AI Writer, EasyBot, Bird AI, Tap Recruit, Textly.ai. Now, AI related documentaries. Documentary is based on official documents. So, documentaries are introduced by the John Connor in 1995. Documentaries are so called because they attempt to document some feature of the real world, or it is also known as to report something real with the evidence. Five central elements to the documentaries are the documentaries are make on observations, mise scenes, interview, dramatizations, and expositions. AI related documentary. The first documentary that I have included that is Lo and Behold Reviews of the Connected World that is documented by the Werner Herzog. This tells about the existential impact of the internet, robotics, AI, IoT and more on human life. This is also award winning 2016 documentary. The second documentary is AlphaGo that is documented by the Greg Cohos. The film pits machine against a man and reveals as much about the working of a human mind as it does the future of AI. Next, documentary is smartest machine on the earth, which is documented by the IBM, which focused primarily on IBM Watson's Jeopardy performance, which was a watershed movement for the AI and chatbot in the cultural consciousness. Fourth, documentary is Plug and Pray. That is documented by the Joseph Weizenbaum. It tells about the promises, problems, and ethics of the AI and robotics. My next section of the presentation is AI related journals. Journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, and other experts. It focuses on a specific discipline and field of study. Journals are published on regular, monthly, quarterly basis, etc. That's why it is also known as periodicals and serials. Journals are basically of three types. First is scholarly and research journal, professional trade and industry journals. Third is popular and new magazines journals. The first journal that I have included that is Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, which is published by Hiroshi Tanaka. It tells about the development of the new technologies which concerning artificial life and robotics, especially computer-based simulation and hardware. Second is Artificial Intelligence in Law, which is published by Kevin D. Esley, Trevor Van Schapen, Giovanni Sartre. They addresses the development of the formal computational model of legal knowledge, reasoning, decision making. It also includes in-depth studies of innovative AI systems. Next journal is Machine Learning, which is published by Peter Iflach. This paper makes claims about learning problems or method, provides solid support by empirical studies, theoretical analysis, or comparison to psychological phenomena. Fourth journal is Minds and Machines, which is published by Maria Rosaria Taddeo. Fosters a tradition of criticism within the AI and philosophical communities on problems and issues of the common concern. Reference section of my content is so if you have any question regarding this presentation, please ask in the comment box. Thank you so much.